की ये नदियाँ ये रहना और तुम
It's killing me. Not be kissing you right now.
Excuse me?
Damn it! I shouldn't have said it. Shouldn't have said it. I shouldn't have said it. God, I shouldn't
It's
have
okay.
said it.
It's okay.
No, it's not okay. I shouldn't have said it. I was just sitting there and you were looking and it was killing me, so I...
It's alright. It's been a long day anyway.
Really? Really? It's so nice of you to say that. So nice of you to... You know, I'm usually not this stupid. I usually don't say such stupid things. I'm such a level-headed girl. I don't know what got into me. I was just looking there and you were looking so gorgeous and it was just killing me not to be saying anything. So I decided to just, you know, open my mouth and say
You talk a lot, don't you?
I've been accused of that also before, you know. Okay, I apologize. I shouldn't have said anything. Just carry on with your drink of tea, coffee, mocha.
Oh, hello. It's a coffee, black. No sugar, no mocha, no cafe latte, whatever.
It gets very complicated, doesn't it?
Goes with the trend, I suppose. Huh. Name's Roshan.
Mira,
You actually made my day quite interesting.
better than boring, right?
Better than boring.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for not hitting me, or running off into the night, or you know, something stupid like that.
I'm not usually the wild and crazy kind of guy.
Not usually?
Yeah, not usually. But if the situation arises, then I would like to see where the wind blows, you know? Go with the flow.
So, this could possibly be a possibility?
Oh, you weren't serious, were you?
No!
That
Not serious. It's been a long day anyway, right?
You know what? We should start this again. Roshan.
Mira!
That's a nice name.
Thank you.
What's that you're drinking there?
See that's my favorite drink, you know. It's frapped with soy, of course, and an extra shot of espresso and a dollop of...
And?
It's complicated.
Have you done this before?
Done this?
Yeah, I mean, the way we started off, like propositioning a complete stranger in a coffee shop. I mean, it wasn't a full proposition, but quite straightforward nonetheless.
I know. I usually don't do such things, you know. I should just mind my own business, drank my overly labeled drink, and gone on my merry way. I think it's something in the air.
Well, I've not been known to be standing in someone else's karmic path. So, go ahead, whenever you're ready.
So, this is okay with you?
Yeah, it's just a kiss.
And you really do have delicious lips.
It's not my weakest point.
You're sure? You're absolutely sure. Because, you know, it's a kiss, right? So gentle, so romantic, so intimate, so...
Oh, hello. It's just a kiss. It's not like there's some kind of a contract written to it.
So you're sure?
Yeah.
You're really sure? Because, you know, I don't want to be crossing any boundaries. This could start something, right?
It can.
I wanted to, right?
It can.
But I'm told if I'm really ready for something like this, you know. But he smells so awesome.
Listen, it's only a kiss. There's no contract, remember? It should be simple.
That's easy enough for you to say. I like to classify it as extremely complicated, if it's okay with you.
Fine, it's your kiss. Call it extremely complicated.
Yeah. So you're sure?
Yeah.
You're really sure?
Yeah.
Because, you know, I don't want to be crossing any boundaries. Because, you know, you were just sitting there minding your own business and I sat down blabbering like a stupid fool, you know, blabbering and blabbering and blabbering.
It's only a kiss. Well, you know what? I should treat you to a muffin. Or maybe a cookie.
Why? Will that make this okay?
It's only a kiss.
So, this is okay, right?
Yeah.
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 Yes,
So tell me, how do we do this?
It should be simple. I mean, many people have done this for many years. It's not like we are going to reinvent the wheel or something.
No. When even, you want to stand? Like can we stand kiss? Or do you want to be pushed against the wall and really sit there?
It's a comfortable chair.
Oh. So you want to be seated?
Yeah. Do you mind?
No. So, how do you want me?
Eh? ahead, beautiful.
I'm not really sure what this starts, you know.
Does that matter?
In some ways,
Are you really sure?
it has to matter. We can't just kiss and go on our merry way.
I'm sure that's happened before. Hasn't it? Is it just me?
You know, you're really intriguing me, you know. I've already imagined so many possible scenarios in my head.
Oh my goodness, I mean, we've been sitting here for like what, 10 minutes?
No, we've been sitting here for close to 6 minutes. You know, it took me a lot of courage to come up and talk to you.
Oh, come on, I'm not that remarkable.
You are! In how this plays out in the head, you are very remarkable.
Alright then, tell me, what happens?
I win.
You win? Isn't that quite vague, don't you think?
I can see how it appears that way, you know, but...
You know what, let's not play around anymore.
Okay.
Now that you have already played it in your funky little brain,
Okay.
tell me, how would we end up?
Huh? No! That's not a very strategic move to be played right now. You know, first, you know, you see, we talk and...
You smell something really sweet from my childhood. I can't quite place it.
Your cheeks. They're so soft. Can I touch it? You know, there's a draw to you, you know. I really can't quite explain it.
Cinnamon rolls!
What?
Your smell? It reminds me of cinnamon rolls from my childhood.
Was my touch that unremarkable?
No. I mean, it was just that the cinnamon was really strong. I mean, your touch was... I can't quite place it. You know what? I should treat you to a muffin. Or maybe a cookie. Pastry. They're really delicious here.
I think I'll have coffee, you know. Plain, no cream, no sugar.
Are you really willing to take that risk?
See, you're really beginning to intrigue me, you know. And I guess plain coffee would be a rewarding risk now.
I'm so glad I have that good influence on you.
And it saves calories, right? So...
Oh, that it does. I'll be right back.
Yeah.
Here you go. Plain coffee. No sugar, no cream, 0 calories.
Thank you.
Is there something wrong?
No, I like for it to cool off a bit, you know. Because there's this warning, right, that says hot beverages are hot.
You don't really read those warnings, do you?
I like to be careful, so...
And proposition complete strangers in coffee shops.
That I take calculated risk.
You really are quite good.
Thank you for the coffee.
You know, these coffees are like much cheaper than your fancy drinks.
It's not always about the money.
Believe me, it's never about the money.
So, you're not as boring as I first thought you were.
Thank you. You want to drink the coffee now?
I'm not quite ready.
Listen, they write those warnings just for themselves, to save their asses and stuff. It's really not that hard.
You really do have delicious lips, you know.
It's only a warning.
I know.
I remember when my mom used to make cinnamon rolls, no? The house was full of like...
And cinnamon was one of my favorite smells.
Oh, really? You're actually starting to intrigue me now. Well...
Delicious.
Coffee?
No plain, simple, no contrast.
Can I play the jacket? Can I?
Yeah. Thank you. And it would be nice to have some company.